Hey everybody, today in this video we'll be making pizza egg rolls in the air fryer. Let's begin. We have here some mozzarella and let's open it up. Okay, we have the mozzarella bars on the side. We also have here some egg roll wrappers. You can use any kind of wrappers you like. And open it up. There you go. Let's take out one of the wrappers. There you go. We're gonna shorten it up a little bit. Okay, and then we're gonna cut it in half. We're gonna do the same thing with this. Okay, the first thing what we're gonna do is put some pepperoni. Next, we're gonna put some pizza sauce on top of the pepperoni. Put the cheese on top. Then we're gonna put some garlic powder on top. Put some oregano. Don't forget that step. There we go. And lastly, we're gonna put some Canadian bacon. There we go. Fold it up. Fold up the sides. Go. We're gonna need some egg wash, and we have here a bowl. We're just gonna crack an egg. Then we're gonna stir it up. Make sure it's nice and even. Okay, set. We're gonna take some of the egg wash and apply it onto the egg roll. Go. And then we're just gonna roll it up. There you go. That's one. Okay, we have the egg rolls all set. Let's preheat the air fryer. Okay, we're gonna preheat the air fryer at 380 degrees, and we'll be back. Okay, the air fryer's been preheated. Let's put in the egg rolls. But before we do that, let's spray some olive oil on top. Turn them over, do the same thing again. There we go. This is what it looks like before we put it in. Okay. We're gonna spray some olive oil into the basket. Let's put them in. Okay, let's put them in. We're going for 380 degrees for 6 minutes, and we'll be back. Okay, we're at the halfway point. It's been around 3 minutes. Let's flip them over. Okay, let's spray a little bit more olive oil. Let's put them in. And we'll be back in 3 minutes. Okay, it's been a total time of 6 minutes at 380 degrees. Let's take them out. Oh yeah, look at that. Looking great. Go. There we go. Look at that. It's looking great. Okay, this is what we have today. Pizza egg rolls made in the air fryer. Hope you enjoyed this video. Give this video a like and subscribe for more future recipes. Here, have a bite. Thanks for watching.